Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Homeopathic Super Sessions by Dr. Jagose. Today will be the last part of part 5 of Organon MCQs. I hope it will be beneficial for your upcoming exams. So that's all, folks. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Homeopathic Super Sessions by Dr. Jagose. As you all know, the channel related exclusively to Organon. It is easy to understand and remember. It covers all the important topics of the UG and PG syllabus. It has up-to-date 102 videos. Important tips how to crack the examinations are also given there, including Viva question, theory questions, and much more. So please do like, share, and comment so that this will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you very much.